Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix camera not working problem in Samsung Galaxy A05. If you are using Samsung Galaxy A05 and your phone's camera is not working, so let's see how can you fix it. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just look for apps. Here's the apps, just tap on it. In apps, you just have to look for camera. Here's the camera, select it. And from here, you just have to look for camera storage, tap on it. From here you just have to select clear data, then select delete. It will delete all your data of camera app, and after that you can easily use your camera in your Samsung Galaxy A05, but you have to make sure that your phone's gallery has not been deleted. So in this way you can easily fix your camera not working problem in Samsung Galaxy A05. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.